like I love pretty girls. I want to marry pretty girls. I love pretty girls so much, you know. Just look at this golden lining. You know what just happened right now? Abhi I was editing a shot of my like let this oh fuck man, this is so I love this weather. I will literally marry this weather if this weather will be a person. So I was actually editing a video. Oh my god. And okay. Did you hear this? And my mummy just came and told me कि बाहर मौसम बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, अच्छा हो रहा है, देख लो. मैंने बाहर से देखा, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. तो मम्मी ने बोला एक बार छत पे जाके देखो. And it's, I can't tell you how pretty it is. Like my just shouted I love you universe, जिसमें मैंने I love you बहुत तेज बोल दिया. I love you universe. I can't tell you how much good it makes me feel, you know. Let me just record it. इससे गाड़ी चलाते हैं. अभी भी I'm doing the same, but क्या करूँ? My God, देखो मेरा Android से हाल है ये. This is my Android area. Okay, look at that area. Like I can't tell you how much I love black clouds, especially black clouds. Okay, this is the area. Look, this. This is literally feeling like, you know, इधर heaven है. Or yeah, it's just a sky. Chill out. Meanwhile, the sky. Pensto. इधर मेरा end हो जाता है फोन मेरा. I love this. I hope I had internet तो मैं गाने सुन रही. This is my favorite side of Delhi. Pretty skies are one of the bestest thing which God can do, you know. I mean, this just makes me realize. थोड़ा background dark कर दूँगी. I look dark. It won't matter, but background should. Hey, dark. Yes. So pretty skies just make me realize कि सोचो अगर भगवान जी की क्रिएशन इतनी सुंदर है तो भगवान जी कितने सुंदर होंगे यार. I can't even imagine. I love this. कैसे होगा डार्क? I'll just listen to के दरखास्त है ना. उड़ने का मन करता है whenever I see. कहीं मैं यहीं से गिर ना जाऊँ कभी. Unreal beauty. All the love I'm giving, don't act like you don't know. My Android is not doing justice, but you gotta see what you gotta get, right? Clicking my pictures. Too pretty है. Yeah, Bhagwan ji, I'm loving this. मतलब this is so healing, yaar. If you think Arya is overreacting, then please, yaar, STFU. But I love this. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जिस दिन मेरी मौत होगी उस दिन भी बड़ा pretty sky होने वाला है. Look at this. What we will call this? उधर तो लग रहा है, you know, इधर लग रहा है भगवान जी की presence, like something, you know, Jemmy kind of. इधर बगल में ना पता है आपको एक ऊपर वाले छत में ना एक अंकल जिनको लग रहा है कि कैसी पागल सी बच्ची है जब से ऊपर आई. अंकल तो सिर्फ रिकॉर्ड ही किए जा रही है. अंकल को पक्का यही लग रहा होगा. पर अंकल यार, आई होप आई GAF यार. तो मेरी बाहों में दुनिया भुला दे कि अब ये जज्बात हैं. क्या होगा ना, आपको पता है? नहीं पता, कोई नहीं, आप मत जानो. So सोचो this is just Delhi का sky, and you know, just sky reminds me that there is no limit, you know. Just keep dreaming, keep believing, having faith. And these are the things, you know, आसमान सुंदर सुंदर, फूल सुंदर, मौसम, these are the things which reminds me to have faith in God. क्योंकि ये सब ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? If you think about it, मतलब ऐसी आसमान सुंदर हो जाएगा, ऐसे फूल खिल जाएंगे. There is something behind that which no one can ever find out, and that is the God, you know. So how can you not have trust? I don't know. Like, how do I be negative इतनी देर? मतलब मुझसे तो रहा ही नहीं जाता. मतलब I'll be one of the most depressed person you'll know, but at the same time I cannot be depressed for more than 48 hours. Like, it's just my systematic function. Like, I'll just end up having faith in God, you know. ऐसा मेरे पास ऑप्शन ही नहीं है कोई. मतलब मैं आ ही जाती हूँ क्योंकि हो जाएगा यार. कभी भी अमेजिंगली तबाह चल रही है, you know. Like, I don't know which course I'm going to take. जो course I was thinking 2 साल से, वो I'm not going to take. घर में agreements, disagreements are going on. Like, everything is just so messed up. My YouTube is not working. रोज़ मेरे -3 subscribers हो रहे हैं. Even I'm uploading this much. कुछ भी नहीं. Nothing is working out in my life. I'm going so bad in test and all of exams happening. But one thing, fuck, मैंने अभी तक हाथ क्या हूँ मैं यार. But yeah, one thing which is making me keep going is God, is universe, is my trust, is my ability to believe in myself, is my intuitive power, which is just making me trust in the universe and just keep going in my life. I don't know if even I'm going to upload this. I'll just upload this, even I'll private this video, but I'll just end up uploading this, okay? So yeah, आज का भाषण सही है. मेरा मुंह काला दिख रहा होगा, but focus on the words I said, okay? So yeah, this is a life, okay? Be happy. Just enjoy where you are. Like, I won't be 17 anymore enjoying the sky. I won't be standing on this घर के छत 5th floor पे and enjoying the sky. So all we have is now, okay? Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for things to be alright. It will never be alright if you keep waiting. You have to do it, okay? You are only one who can save yourself. No one's coming to save you. Yes, there's someone who is looking for you, but you gotta choose what's yours by taking some actions. So itna gyan, oh my god, aa raha girl. It was. But if you're watching this, like, if you're watching this video, I just want you to know that I used to be a year back, 2 year back, let's suppose, or even my childhood, it was it was all about just being quiet in the corner of the room and just looking at everyone else and just wishing that I wish I could be like them, and just comparing myself. I was a big people pleaser, whatever we say. And now when I look back at it, I'm so glad I changed. I'm so glad that, oh my god, thank you Bhagwan. Is it for me? Oh my god, this is how universe responds you to. Just God celebrating my win, okay? Oh my god, my life is literally a movie, I swear. What was this? I literally recorded this. Thank you Bhagwan ji. He literally celebrated my win, you know. I love God. What did I just record? I can't wait to look at it. Oh my god. Thank you Bhagwan ji. He literally celebrated my win in front of my eyes in the most prettiest, amazing way, in the shade of the sunset that you see there. And then you will still call it a coincidence. कुछ coincidence नहीं है भाई. My life is literally a movie. And एक बात तुझे समझ आ चुकी है. अब तो मैं positive रहने वाली हूँ. You gotta get what you gotta get. I'm just gonna be positive. I'm just going to put all the trust, faith out there in the universe, and the rest is on the universe. The universe will manage. This video is going to upload on my video anyhow. Fuck quality, fuck whatever the background noise is. But I hope that you see what was this? Like, what just happened? Oh my god. I was literally talking about I'm so proud of all of the things which I've overcome. I've overcome being introvert. I've overcome talking like this. I used to not. I wasn't able to talk like this in front of, even when I was alone. So I'm just so proud of myself, and God is too. So it's your sign to keep believing in yourself, keep believing in God, and just be positive. Put your positivity out there in universe, and I hope it will get fine. Like, it will literally get fine. Ab itna to I know that मेरा तो कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा हो ही जाएगा बट इफ़ आई एम गोइंग टू बी पॉजिटिव लुक बिलीव थैंक यू ठीक है हो जाएगा मेरा अच्छा आई बिलीव जिसकी भी शादी हो भाई 7 जन्म तक चले जिसका भी बर्थडे हो वो खुश रहे whoever is OMG girl, we could have opened the flash, you know guys, but I must look better now. We could have opened flash, but हर चीज़ थोड़ी परफेक्ट हो सकती है ना. कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं भी दिख रही हूँ बैकग्राउंड भी दिख रहा है क्या. So yeah, this is the edge. एंड करते हैं वीडियो को. पता नहीं क्या वीडियो है क्या कंटेक्स्ट होगा. I wish I could open the flash ताकि मैं भी थोड़ी दिख जाती. But yeah, that is it. मतलब देख लिया ना आपने. You'll get what you give. I was just giving positivity. I was just talking about my wins and God celebrated it. Arya, I'm proud of you. You can call it coincidence. You can call I'm crazy, a little bit too poetic, philosophical for this world. But this is how I see things. This is how I see everything around me. You know, it's all written. This is what my perspective is. If I was talking about my wins and suddenly 50 crackers burst in front of me with the most prettiest sunset behind, then I'll consider it as God's sign. No coincidences exist. It's all written here. देखते हैं भाई where I will end up. Maybe I will continue making. You all will get to know where I'll end up. इतना poetic हो रहा है जो सब कुछ. Life is too philosophical and I feel like अगर बुरे दिन आएंगे नहीं then how it will feel like movie, you know, like there's a bad and good part in movie. So I think it was my bad part which happened abhi, but now good part is coming maybe, or abhi nahi coming so it will come because it's a movie. It cannot be only bad, neither it can be only good. It's going to be a mix of it. So yeah, let's enjoy a movie. बहुत बड़ा वीडियो, बहुत बड़ा लेक्चर, बहुत बड़ा philosophical laws, whatever happened, but I hope you feel inspired. And the message that you'll get, I want to give you is just be positive, believe in yourself, believe in the Almighty, trust your intuition, trust your gut, keep doing what you gotta do. And बस करते रहो मेहनत यार, मेहनत करते रहो. I think हो जाता है सब. अभी मेरा तो कुछ हुआ नहीं है, मैं बस बोल ही रही हूँ. पर जिस हिसाब से God gives me sign है, जो सब कुछ होता है मेरी लाइफ में, उस हिसाब से I feel like if you will keep doing what you want, what your passion is, maybe no, definitely you'll achieve things because I've heard so many motivation speakers who are successful in their life, or I've heard this from so many people who have achieved what they want in their life. So I feel like if they made out, if I will, then you too. And I think we all will. Like, what's the point of existing? हमें भगवान ने बनाते ही क्यों अगर हमें फेल ही होना था लाइफ में. कुछ ना कुछ तो रहा ही होगा इस लाइफ में, तभी उन्होंने बनाया ना. There's point of everything, there's a purpose of everything. So find your passion, find what your heart says, and believe in your intuition, trust your gut, and do what you want. Don't listen to anybody. That's just my advice to you. And ये बीच छत पे पूरे आसमान के नीचे होके be confident enough to say this in front of, I don't know how many people are staring at me right now, but I think it doesn't matter. I don't know how many people are talking shit about me right now. Look at that girl recording her, and मैंने flash भी on कर लिया लगे हाथ अपने मुँह पे, so they can clearly see my face, make my joke. But I wish I give a fuck. Like I literally don't, so I'm just grateful that I don't give a fuck. And yeah, Bhuvanji, thank you for making me like that. And he's again celebrating that I don't give a damn. So yeah, just be attached to it, do what you want. This is making me feel happy, you know. So I don't think I should be concerned about all those things. So yeah, that's my advice. And yeah, bye to pretty sky. Bye to you as well. Bye guys. घर जाके देखती हूँ what I recorded. Sky is too pretty.